Hi, my name is Moni. I am owner-operator of Kootenay Concepts Construction, based out of Cristova, serving the central Kootenays. I want to introduce you to a product that I really like. The product is called EcoFlow. It's a group of battery engineers that came together during the sustainable energy movement in 2017 to create a product that can help people like myself that want to be eco-friendly and don't want to use or rely on combustion engines or fuel generators to power their homes, take camping, to be prepared for emergency, in case of emergencies, to be prepared in case of emergencies. So yeah, I'm a big fan of their product, and I just kind of wanted to introduce you to some of the features of what I love about the EcoFlow. My favorite thing about the EcoFlow is they are using top quality products to create their energy efficient solar generators. In my opinion, they are industry leaders in delivering renewable energy power producing products. Another one of my favorite qualities about this product is it is high efficiency solar generators that are a backup plan in case of emergencies, power outages, or you could take it with you camping. If you own a food truck, this could power up your kitchen. EcoFlow's solar generator is a clean source of energy that you could power either by using an outlet in your home or through a solar panel that you buy as a package. Speaking of seeing this in action, we are ready to push the button and start it up and just go through how user-friendly and easy it is to operate. So all I have to do is push the button. It turns on. This tells me how full the battery is, how many hours of available use, the input, so if I'm charging it, what the input is, the output, if I have anything plugged into it using power out of the generator. On the back side, I have all of my AC outlets, and then here I have all of my solar charging outlets. Here's where the solar panels can be plugged in to charge it. Here's where my electrical outlet connection is if I'm charging it out of my 20 amp receptacle in my kitchen. For these outlets to work, if I plug something in while it's on, it's not going to work. I actually need to power it on. So now we're going to use my work battery charger. I'm going to plug in a flat iron and a coffee machine. So now with everything plugged in and turned on, it tells me what kind of output I'm using and how long I can use it for. It's that simple, continuously. Now let's move on to charging the product using solar panels. They send you, with the solar panel and the package that you buy, the connection, and it's just so simple, you can't do it wrong. You can connect up to 2 solar panels, as you can see. And again, it shows you what kind of input we're getting from the sunshine through the solar panels and how many minutes or hours it'll take to charge it fully. This model specifically is the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max with an AC output of 2400 watts. I bought this from Costco.ca when they had it on sale, but the best place to buy it is on EcoFlow's website directly, either ecoflow.com or ecoflow.ca. I bought this last year while it was on sale with the solar panel, and the whole package was $2,500. Thank you for joining me today and listening to me talk about the EcoFlow that I'm highly interested in, that I'd love to see every home have. Signing out, this is Moni with Kootenay Concepts Construction.